Hello, aspiring UI/UX designers. Welcome back to our tutorial series. In this episode, we're going to unravel a pivotal aspect of the design process sitemaps. Ever had a moment of curiosity about how designers craft the structure of a website or application to ensure a smooth user experience? The answer lies in the sitemap. A sitemap, in essence, serves as a blueprint for your website or application. This visual tool illustrates the hierarchical structure, delineating the relationships between various pages or screens. Much like a roadmap, a sitemap guides users through the entire journey of navigation, helping them understand where they are, where they can go, and how they can get there. So, as we delve into the world of sitemaps, think of them as not just a tool, but a roadmap that guides users through the entire navigation experience. Why is a sitemap so important, you might ask? Well, let's dive into that. Picture yourself navigating through a maze-like website with no clear structure. Quite a nightmare, isn't it? It can be confusing and frustrating, leading to a poor user experience. Now imagine having a clear, well-structured map of that website. With a simple glance, you know exactly where you're going and how to get there. That's exactly what a sitemap is for your website or application. It's a guidebook, a roadmap that ensures your users can easily find what they're looking for. But it's not just about ease of navigation. A sitemap also plays a crucial role in SEO, helping search engines crawl your website more efficiently. This can boost your visibility and ultimately your website's success. In UI/UX design, the user is king, and a well-designed sitemap is a royal decree that enhances the overall user experience. As UI/UX designers, our goal is to create user-centric designs. Sitemaps are instrumental in achieving this objective. You see, a sitemap is not just a random layout of pages, it's a logical organization of information. It's like a well-planned city where every road, every intersection has been thoughtfully laid out for the best possible navigation. Consider the user's journey. When a user lands on your website or app, they're on a mission. They're looking for something specific, and it's our job to help them find it as quickly and efficiently as possible. This is where sitemaps come into play. They allow us to visualize the user's journey to see how they might move from one part of the website to another. With this insight, we can arrange the content in a way that aligns with the user's natural flow, making navigation intuitive and effortless. By understanding the user's journey, we can arrange content in a way that makes sense, leading to a more intuitive and enjoyable experience. Now, let's talk about how to create a sitemap. The process is straightforward, yet requires strategic thinking. Whether you prefer sketching with a pen and paper or using digital design tools, the first step is the same. You need to outline the main pages or sections of your website or application. These are the major stops on your user's journey. Once you have your main pages, it's time to establish the connections between them. This is where you map out the paths that users will take. Think about how they'll move from one section to another and what information they'll need to do so. But don't just consider the mechanics. Think about the user's journey, their goals, needs, and emotions. This will help you arrange the content in a way that feels intuitive and satisfying to them. Remember, the goal is to create a clear and efficient structure. Consider the flow of information and user interactions to create a clear and efficient structure. Remember, creating a sitemap is an iterative process. It's not a one-and-done deal. As you design, gather feedback, and learn more about the user needs and project goals, your sitemap will need to adapt. You might have to refine the structure, adjust the information hierarchy, or even reorganize the entire layout. This evolution is a natural part of the design process. Embrace it. It's through these iterations that your sitemap and consequently your user experience improves. It's a dynamic tool, constantly evolving and adapting to better serve the users and the business objectives. So, as you embark on your next design project, remember to stay flexible and open to changes. Keep the user at the heart of your decisions and let their needs guide your design choices. As we conclude our exploration of sitemaps, remember that a well-thought-out sitemap is the foundation for a successful UI/UX design. It's your roadmap to a user-friendly, intuitive, and engaging user experience.